You know, gang, 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 gang.
Yeah, so yo, YouTube. It's your boy Hooli back with another video. Before we get into the video, I need y'all to hit that like and subscribe. Got Air Maxes, new Air Max 90's, you know what I mean? New cop, new kicks. About to do a little quick unboxing video. None too big, something light, you know what I mean? But I'm about to unbox it. First time viewing my new cop. Let's get straight into it. We ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Gang, gang, gang. Damn, I love the smell of new pair of shoes. Oh, man. Yes, sir. The Nikes on deck. Woo! White. You know what I mean? I had to get something different. Let me know if it's a W. Let me know if it's a W cop. W cop or not, man. Let me know. You know what I mean? Woo! Nice. I'm about to try these on. About to look at these, man. About to be a movie. Yes, sir. Oh, man. We about to do a lot of videos like these too, man. A lot of videos, unboxing. You know what I mean? Copping shoes. This is just like one of the first of many videos we gonna be doing. Nike Air Maxes, man. Let's get it. Come on, man. Yes, sir, man. You see how we scumming. Come on, gang. Come on, gang. Different. Nike stepping.
Sorry. Bye-bye. See you later.